Hello everyone. How are you? Hope you guys are doing great. So myself Asif, and with me here's Alep. And today webinar, we are going to host this webinar. So hopefully you guys will learn a lot and the kind of expectation that you have from this webinar related to learning. So hopefully you will be able to achieve them, and Alep will, surely help you guys out to understand all that we have to discuss in the webinar. So let's start it. Let's without wasting any time, let's start it over. Can you guys see my screen? Alep, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So guys, the today webinar is going to be about how to create simple lab results document. Okay, by using our libraries. Before delving into the technical content of it, that is surely would be taken care by Alep, I will go simply over the details of our company, our background, and who exactly, what exactly the purpose and the role that we are serving at at UniDoc. So let's quickly jump into the basic details of the company, the overview. So myself, Azim Ahmed, I'm working as a chief operation officers here at UniDoc, and Alep is working as a full stack developer and is taking care of all the technical details of this. Mainly helping us with the technical part of the project. Our libraries and all that stuff. So it's a pretty much technical guy. So, about UniDoc, so it's one of our main product, that is basically library package in Go that is used to manage PDF documentation. That includes many things, but also not limited to reporting, PDF editing, digital signing, text extraction, and many other things. Similarly, the other product that UniDoc offers is it is UniOffice, that basically library package that support MS Office document management and covers many things like document conversion, document properties, modifications, filling out forms, creating presentations, then working with Excel sheets and many more. Hopefully, like if you have already interacted with our website and have visited our website, you surely would have been going through all of these products that I'm just talking about. In case if you want to visit further and want to get to know more about this product, just visit our website unidoc.io and you will get to know about all of the products that we are offering. The third one, final product that we offer is it's the Unisuite. So it's basically want to get access to both products of our UniPDF and UniOffice. Those are the main ones and the signature products of ours. So I mean, you can just go for the Unisuites that covers both of these ones. Uh, why should you go for the UniPDF? Basically, we call ourselves as a Adobe of Golang libraries. I believe, like we are the main company that is providing the Golang libraries, in the whole market. So I believe like we cover pretty much every single library of the Golang that is available out there, and we are the I would say like unicorn of this product. Uh, why UniPDF? I believe like you can find out a lot of libraries out there on the GitHub and many other platforms, but UniPDF is basically uh, by using Go language, we have mainly focused on building the performance. The performance is what that we promise, and that is what we deliver. Similarly, many other feature like XML, like language template features, you can explore out a lot by just visiting our page. At the end of this webinar, if you if you want to know and learn more about our products personally, I mean just let me know and I can personally send out the ebooks and all product related stuff through the via email. That's what I can do for you guys. uh, Similarly, you need PDF templates feature. Here we have told a little, explained a little about our templates features that you can read out. The aim of a template is to make complex layouts a lot easier, faster, and by writing less code. If no new data is required, template file can be modified without the need to rebuild the application. That's what the main feature is. Similarly, what are the requirements? You should have the Go programming language installed, we recommend using minimum Go version 1.18. GitHub should be installed better if it is installed. UniDoc offline license or UniCloud API key and the lab results document design. That's all you need. This is the final product that you get after using our Golang libraries. This is the final good product, the good help that you get. So this is the code example. If you want to copy it, if you want to get dive it deeper into it, just visit the URL that is out there. You can get this sort of code example. Okay, and now, I mean, I have explained roughly about all of these things, but now I want Alep to dive deeper into the technical details and go through every single thing. So Alep, surely take the lead from here.
Yeah, thank you, Asif. So yeah, basically as mentioned by Asif, yeah, at the UniPTF we do have a template feature, which is sometimes within code there is an issue like you need to rebuild the application when you make change on the code, but UniPTF provide a template features. It is XML-like language that will be parsed by our library, which is UniPTF. It will translate the component or element into UniPTF creator. So it will make you able to change the template without rebuild the application again and again. So it should make the creating of complex layout easier and faster also. So moving on to the next section. Yeah, this is the requirement you need or having a Go installed, and it is required minimum 1.18, and then Git installed. This one is optional, but it is good if you had Git installed, so you can clone our example repository easily using Git. And then UniDoc offline license or UniCloud APK, which can be get through our website for the APK. And then another thing is the PDF design. So here we use the lab result design. And moving on. This one is the first page of the design. And then go to the next page. It will be the second page. And then the last one is the third page. And so for the code example, so basically you can go to our repository there. You can go to the templates folder and then goes to lab result folder. You will see all the complete code there, or basically you can just clone the UniPTF example repository. And inside the template lab result folder or directory, you will having following files there. So the main thing here to be noted is the lab result.json, pdf lab result.go, and then at the rest folder there is .tpl file, which is the template file. It is storing the XML language link for our template feature. And then at the lab result JSON, it's all the data regarding the person and the lab result. It will be processed by by main function inside the pdf underscore lab underscore result.co. And then when processing it, it will be substitute the variable on the template file with the value from the lab result JSON file. So could you go to the link of pdf lab result.co?
Sure.
So here the complete or the main function code for the pdf lab result code. So at the init function, we call the UniPDF license APK there, turn on some debug information. Yeah, and then there we read the lab result.json and yeah, substitute the variable with it, process template files. And then yeah, the final result of it was unipdf-lab result.pdf, which is like in the design. And yeah, that's all from me.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Ale, for taking us
Yeah,
through all of this. Guys, that's it from our end. Let us know, please, in the chat box if you guys have any sort of question that we can help you with. So let's just wait for a moment and see what people have to say. So from Paul on, we have a question: how do you leverage routines and channels for efficient processing of large data sets in lab documents? Ella, what should we, say about it?
Yeah, to answer that question, to leverage the coroutines and channel for efficient processing, actually the best way for doing this is know the length of the data set. Actually, like when you are initiate the variable or map or something else in the code, it best to know the length or set the length of it, so it will not assign unnecessary memory there.
Okay.
So
So the next question that we have is from Tobin Shaw. How do you ensure that integrity and error handling in Go when reading forms or writing to lab documents?
the data integrity and error
Yeah,
handling. So basically, the error handling for Go will be checked at the first. It's like different from other language, a kind of different. Like you need to check the error first, and yeah, if there is an error, you can handle it by some function there or write it into log. But yeah, if it's in our case, like if it's an error in our template features, actually there is an log information about at which line that your code are not working or error, and about the data integrity.
perfect. So guys, do we have any other question? Just let me know.
Yeah, I think
Let's
for
wait.
the part for data integrity, to make sure the everything is consistent. So basically, you will store it on the database for that information actually, and then you need to querying it like something like that.
Okay. Thank you, Paul, for asking this question. So let's just wait for 30 seconds more and let's see like if we do have any other question. Otherwise, let's wrap this webinar. Okay. Okay, perfect. I believe like no one. Uh, I mean, yeah, that's all I believe. So should we wind up the interview webinar, Alec?
Yeah, I think so. If there is no more question.
Yeah, I mean that's all that people are. Thank you so much, guys, for joining this webinar. Really appreciate it. Hope to see you in the next webinar. And in case if you guys need any help, just let us know, and we will be able to help you out. Thank you so much for joining this webinar. Thank you, Alec, for taking out your time.
Yeah, thank you and
Thank
good
you.
night.